Hey guys, what's going on? Dylan here from Fabrication Guy. Got a quick update for you guys on some Milwaukee deals from Home Depot this week. One of the ones that really stood out to me is the 3/8 Stubby Impact. They got a deal right now for $269. If you're not familiar, this Stubby Impact normally goes for $179 just for the bare tool. But they have a deal right now for $269. You're going to get the tool, a 4 amp hour battery, a 2 amp hour battery, and then the big 6 amp hour battery and a charger. So all of that for $90, which is a really good value. The 6 amp hour battery within itself is almost like 70 or $80 last time I checked. So getting a lot of batteries for $90 and you're getting an extra charger. Super good deal. I'll have a link in the video description to this on Home Depot if you want to check it out. They also have the exact same deal in the half-inch version as well. So if you are someone who's looking for a half-inch gun, I'm not a huge fan of the half-inch version of this gun. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. I just don't find much use of it. I had the big 2767-20, but this gun does work well if you're like an auto tech or something like that, need to get into really small spaces. But they have this deal as well. So stay tuned, guys, and subscribe. I'm going to be posting more weekly Milwaukee deals from Home Depot and Amazon and all that kind of stuff to give you guys a better idea of what's out there and do the research for you guys. So stay tuned for that. Be sure to subscribe if you like tool stuff, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.